This is a quick video tutorial using Sketchbook app on the iPad. This is lesson 3 of the skateboard design. In lesson 1, learners put their design from their oil pastel cell drawing and uploaded it onto Sketchbook app. In lesson 2, they uploaded their initials to the design. Today we are going to add a polygon image to the design to finalise our final skateboard design. The most important thing to do when using Sketchbook app is to use a new layer for each image. In this demonstration you will see that I use the transparency tool and the paint bucket to get rid of the inside shapes. I also use the paint tool to fill in colours very quickly by simply tapping on the line that I want to colour and fill it very quickly with the paint pot tool. By using the duplication button on the single layer, you can duplicate your image. So with this polygon image that I have chosen, I can duplicate it very quickly just by the click of a button. It also means that I can change the size of it very quickly. So I have one polygon image that is quite small, and then I have created a larger polygon image for the middle section. Use the eraser tool to get rid of any lines that you don't need. Once you have your polygon image on, you can then play about with the background some more. Sometimes the polygon image becomes too cluttered and distracting when it is added in with your background. In this demonstration, I have two background images, and by clicking the little eye icon on the top left-hand corner, I can then simply remove a background and see what it looks like with one background, and then quickly change it back to the other background so that I can decide which design I prefer. You can also change the line of the polygon and change it into colours that reflect the theme of your skateboard design. So here I've changed one to blue and one to a cream colour.